Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach you class 12th biology according to syllabus unit 7 genetics and evolution. I was discussed in previous classes two gene of inheritance, that means dihybrid cross and law of independent assortments, that is the based on also dihybrid cross. Today I will discuss you chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance, that means you see in this diagram, that is the different stage of same homologous chromosomes, that means G1 and G2 phase, that is the bivalent after the first phase meiosis, and to segregate, to separate it in second stage for anaphase and to form new germ cells. First of all, we discussed according the Mendel work. On the basis, we can understand the inheritance pattern at the level of gene, that means factor. The role of the chromosomes or their relation with Mendel is factor of gene was worked but only after two publics Mendel work. The discovery of meiotic cell division helped a very much understanding to nature of behavior of chromosomes. In 1902, Sutton and Boveri noted the role of chromosomes. They are found in the behavior of chromosomes was parallel to behavior of gene. That means chromosomes behavior, parallel behavior is based on the parallel behavior of genes. Parallel Parallelism, that means between regarding Mendelism, gene and chromosomes. Both chromosomes and gene are found in pair. Both chromosomes and gene are found in pair. During gametogenesis, homologous chromosomes get separated. Similarly, gene also get separate, means allele also get separate during the gametophyte through the meiosis. That means you see in the above diagram, meiosis, the paired condition of both chromosomes, paired condition of both chromosomes and gene is restored after fertilization. These observation leads to the postulates theory of chromosomes of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was given, that means I tell you, Sutton and T. Boveri in 1902. This theory was states of chromosomes bear Mendelism factors or gene. Chromosomes are a vehicle of heredity information. It is a chromosomal segregate during gametogenesis and assort independently. Since genes are located in chromosomes, they are also get segregated to assort independently. Some important feature of this theory, that means to form this zygote is diploid cell formed by the fertilization. During fertilization, zygote receive one maternal set of chromosomes, that means to form ova, and one paternal set of chromosomes to forms father. The two chromosomes of one type forms each set together forms a homologous pair. And next, the life of individuals of chromosomes retain their individuality and structural uniqueness. Each chromosomes carry gene according to Mendeleism factor which play important role, that means to determining the characters of organism during meiosis process. Gamete formation of two chromosomes of homologous pair get separated to form each factors, that means gene are located in their get separation. This theory was further expanded by T.H. Morgan, Alfred H. Sutherland, and Calvin B. Bridges. The term of this factor, that means according to Mendel's factors, was replaced with the term of gene by Johnson in 1909, and we lost the discussed concept of genes and behavioral concepts of genes and basic concepts of genes. The term gene was given by Johnson's 1909 for Mendelian factor. According to modern concept, gene is the segment part of length of the DNA which contain information for the formation of specific character. Therefore, gene code for a particular protein which in turn govern the formation of a character. Genes should not be confused with small rounded bodies present on chromosomes. Gene impact are the small fragment or portion or parts of DNA that contain information for the formation of a particular protein, thereby of a characters. Since DNA is the part of chromosomes, it is said that chromosomes contain gene, as chromosomes are transferred from one generation to the next with gametes, the gene of DNA, and therefore chromosomes contain to form gene. A chromosomes are transferred from one generation to next generation with gamete, that means the gene factor of DNA, that is the characterized by one generation to next generation. That means the modern concept of the gene. Gene are made of DNA. DNA gives rise chromosomes on condensation. So gene are prevent are present to chromosomes, that means to location of gene in a chromosomes is highly specific, that means the chromosomes of characters, that means the gene of characters are fixed for one shift to next shift. Chromosomes aberration, that means chromosomal mutation and crossing over can changes the relative position of the gene. The number of gene is much more than